Hello dear students, we are studying the chapter Nutrition in Animals. In the previous video we have already learned that how the food moves from mouth to the stomach, right? That is by peristalsis, right? So what is peristalsis? The alternate contraction and relaxation of muscles in the wall of the esophagus to push food is called peristalsis. By this process, the food passes through the food pipe or esophagus and it reaches the stomach, okay, in just 10 seconds. Now let us understand the next important organ of digestive system, that is stomach. Here you can see stomach, okay. So it is a J-shaped organ, fine. And where it is located? It is located on the left side of the abdomen. Here you can see the stomach, okay. So it is a J-shaped thick walled pouch or bag, okay. So it is 12 inches long and 6 inches wide. And you know how much it can hold, how much of food it can hold? It can hold about 2 liters of food in an average adult, okay. So here both mechanical and chemical digestion of food takes place, fine. So mechanical digestion takes place when the stomach contracts to churn the food, fine. Chemical digestion takes place when it produces digestive juice. The cells lining the stomach produces digestive juice, okay. So this juice consists of a very important enzyme, that is pepsin, okay. So this pepsin helps in breaking down the proteins into simpler forms, okay. And one more thing which is released or secreted by the inner lining of the stomach muscle is hydrochloric acid, okay. So this actually, what is the job of the hydrochloric acid is, this acid kills the bacteria which is present in the food, fine. And also some cells release mucus. This actually mucus saves the stomach cells from the acid, okay. It protects the cells from the acid, okay. And in the stomach food is processed or food is converted into a thick liquid which is called as chyme, and this chyme is then moves down towards the small intestine. So this is all about stomach. Now let us learn about small intestine. So this is the picture of the digestive system, right? And here you can see the small intestine, okay. And this is also known as bowel, and it is the longest portion of the digestive tract, and it measures around 6 meters long, okay. And where it is located? It is located in the middle of the abdomen. So it is located in the middle of the abdomen, okay. And it is not straight, right? It is highly coiled, and it is present in the it is surrounded by the fat which helps in flexibility or in mobility of the small intestine, okay. And here most of the digestion takes place in the small intestine, and when the chyme enters from the stomach into the small intestine, there it mixes with variety of intestinal juices, okay, which is secreted by the intestine, and also it gets so many enzymes from the liver and pancreas. Here you can see it is the longest portion of the digestive tract. It is more than 6 meters long. It is located in the middle of the abdomen, okay, and it is coiled and surrounded by a thin layer of fat. And because of this presence of fat, it is more flexible and it has a mobility, okay. So digestion of food in the small intestine takes place with the help of pancreatic juice and intestinal juice, okay. So these are the two juices which are released. This pancreatic juice is released by the pancreas and the intestinal juice is released by the small intestine, and these two juices help in the digestion of the food, okay. Now let us see what is present in this pancreatic juice. So pancreatic juice, it contains 3 enzymes. They are pancreatic amylase, lipase and trypsin. We know that our food consists of variety of nutrients and we need variety of enzymes for their digestion. Okay, so here we have first one, pancreatic amylase. This is going to convert starch into sugar. And where is the starch present? It is present in our food, right? So this pancreatic amylase is going to convert starch into sugar. And lipase, it helps in converting fats into fatty acids and glycerin. And last one, trypsin, it helps in converting proteins into its simpler form, that is peptides. Okay, so these are the 3 most important enzymes which are present in the pancreatic juice. Now let us see what is there in the intestinal juice, which is produced by the small intestine. Okay, so it also consists of enzymes. There are 4 enzymes: erepsin, maltase, lactase and sucrase. Okay, so here this erepsin, it is mainly involved in converting the peptides into amino acids. Okay, actually it completes the digestion of proteins. Next one is maltase. So maltase converts maltose into sugar. Lactase, it converts lactose into glucose and galactose. And the last one, sucrase, it converts sucrose to glucose and fructose. Okay, so these are the 4 enzymes which are present in the which are present in the intestinal juice, which is produced by the small intestine. Okay, so by this almost digestion of food is completed in the small intestine. In the next video, we are going to study how this digested food get absorbed by the small intestine.